Tebis has a really good software and is also known in the market, actually also internationally, just like Renishaw. We are also represented worldwide, so it's a really good fit. What I've been dreaming of for 20 years is finally becoming reality is a personal highlight for me. Automated programming of this template technology based on templates with part classifications. I think this is absolutely necessary for our industry, especially in Germany and other German-speaking areas. And of course, all the companies have to work hard to continue getting orders. And that's only possible with digitalization and with automation, and so on. So it's a huge challenge. And you can also feel that very clearly in the open house, what problems the customers have and what Tebis can offer on the other side as a partner and as a provider to help them. What's special about the Tebis Open House is the large presence of decision makers. We see more value from this than from an ordinary trade fair.